the camera is flashing. That means we are recording. And what is today? Today is the 19th of October. And welcome to the River Road. I'm just kidding. I'm not on the River Road today. I am taking a fairly quick ride because we got a lot to do. We are leaving for Ohio in a few days. So, yeah, it is 75 degrees. I don't know the last time I rode and it was 75 degrees. Like, I took off from the house wearing what I would normally ride all the time, and I'm like, huh, it's a little cool out today. Crazy. So if you don't know, I am we're just south of New Braunfels, Texas. So that's where I say I'm at. Oh, look at that. It's LeBaron. And we are on Rebecca Creek Road. I do believe it's road. And I took it off at 281, so you can look on a map. 281 and Rebecca Creek Road. Canyon Lake's in front of me, and this just kind of meanders around. I think we go back to like 1863 or one of those roads. Oh, that Chrysler 300 comes scooting through the dust and the dirt. And while I am writing, my wife is running. She's preparing next month, I think it is, for a half marathon. And no, I could not. I can do the 5Ks with her. It's not too terribly bad. I'm usually not feeling the best for a couple days. And then I'm like, yeah, I could do 6K. Hey, slug bug. And then I'm like, no, I have a hard enough problem with the, well, not 6K, but I can do the 12K. The 6 mile one, 10K. I'll get there, people, I'll get there. But no, there's no way. I could probably walk, maybe, dude, I don't know. So for her to do a half marathon here next month, it's going to be the first annual San Antonio Marathon. It used to be the Hard Rock. Woo! Cattle Gate. We are cattle gate country right here. Open range. And like I said, I'm trying to get different content on the channel. I get it, you know, if it's the same river road over and over and over and over again, no. But I've done a couple things to find better roads. One, I got a Butler map, and it's hill country and the Big Bend area. And then I jumped on my phone, and Rever was like half off. It was like $39, I do believe. Maybe it wasn't half off because, oh, another cattle guard. Boom, boom. Rebecca Creek Park. I bet that's kind of cool down in there. So we'll play around. And where we're at, we're kind of on the west side of Canyon Lake, kind of where it starts. So they dammed up the Guadalupe River. That gave them this reservoir. I do believe it was Army Corps of Engineer. And then, I don't know when it was, in the 60s, they opened it up for recreation. So we're at the point where the Guadalupe starts Canyon Lake. So we're on the west side. We got stuff blowing around in the wind. Yeah, winds are like 15 plus miles per hour today, which is, it's been a minute since I've ridden in windy weather. But yeah, you know, the spider's true, you know, it just goes down the road. Doesn't matter if it's 40 mile per hour winds, it just goes. I mean, sometimes like the air will catch your helmet and you'll do one of these little goo things, but 15 mile per hour winds, for the Spider is nothing. 15-mile-per-hour winds for my wife running. I wish her all the luck in the world. There we go. The wind caught my helmet a little bit. Some of these houses out through here, and it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere, right? I mean, it's just nothing, but we're super close to a whole bunch of things. I think early next year I'm going to try to get out into West Texas. Here we go. Here's the Guadalupe River. We'll go look on this side first. Do we have... So we got water flowing there. We have no water flowing. Look at that. There's no water flowing into Canyon Lake from the Guadalupe. Now there's water here. Dang, that is crazy. Huh. I don't even know what to say. So that's the same river in Kerrville that caused all those, well, not all the floods, but that huge flood on the 4th. It's a sleepy little river. I'm telling you, it is a sleepy little river. It is one of the most deadliest rivers in the United States. And I think why it's the deadliest river, or one of them, is because it brings a lot of people. You know, they get the tubes and they tube down the river. You throw in, you know, adult drinks, and I can see how there can be issues, right? But you know, these flash floods, they are nothing to mess around with, because it can take that sleepy little river that actually does not flow in places. I mean, there might be a trickle going through the rock, and it can turn it into a 30-foot wall of water. And I don't know, it still just blows my mind. I've seen floods. I've seen the Scioto River flood, you know, but those are like long events. A flash flood is not a long event. The water's up, the water's down, and the destruction's insane. Ooh, 6th gear. Been a minute since I've been on little roads like this, and like I said, we're heading back to Ohio. We are not taking the Spider. We're gonna be taking my truck. While we're in Ohio, we're gonna run to Virginia. So man, this is gonna be a multi-state trip. Yeah, it should be fun. The thing that is going to concern me is, you know, you go back, you visit family, you don't want to leave family. So we're going to go up, spend a couple days, go into Virginia, spend some more time with family, then we're going to head back to Ohio. The issue is, you know, leaving family again, but then also, and this might sound really stupid, is the roads there are absolutely... Watch out, frog! Woo! Did I get the frog? Talk about Frogger. The roads there are going to be incredible. and I'm gonna miss them. So this is Rebecca Creek. I think I'm gonna just start wandering with my thoughts. I'll let everybody go. Definitely check it out. It's a decent little road. You know, it's nothing complicated. It's not high speed. It's actually pretty low speed. Scenery's quite nice. And like I said, I picked it up at 281 north of San Antonio. So if you could, while I point everybody in the sun, give me a big old thumbs up. It's a ranch. I love the ranch. Love the ranches. But like I said, if you could give me a big old thumbs up, stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.